Hello yogis, and welcome to this peaceful bedtime yoga sequence. I'm Sarah, and in this restorative class we'll stimulate our parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for our rest and digest response. Together we'll focus on putting our body and mind into a state of calm to help us relax and drift off to sleep. So whether you're on your mat or in the comfort of your own bed, make yourself ready and we'll begin. We'll begin today's practice sitting in a comfortable cross-legged seat. We'll rest our hands down onto our knees and begin to slow down the breath. Breathing down to the bottom of the belly and exhaling back out through the nose. And by slowing down our breath, we're tapping into our parasympathetic nervous system, which calms the body and prepares you for sleep. And switching off your sympathetic nervous system, that fight or flight mode you no longer need to harness. We'll begin to drop our right ear towards our right shoulder and bring your right hand to rest onto your left ear, just gently creating more space through the left side of the neck. Breathing deep into the left side of the body. Noticing any tightness. Noticing any stress, any strain. Begin to drop your chin towards your chest as you look towards the knees. Getting a little bit deeper now into the back of the head, into the back of the neck muscles. Breathing into any sensations. Releasing any stiffness with each exhale. And we'll gently begin to bring the head back to center, resting our hand back onto our knee, and we'll take it to the next side, dropping the left ear towards the left shoulder and bringing the left hand to rest onto the right ear. Soften through the breath, slowing the breath, and deepen the breath. We'll begin to tilt our head down, chin comes to chest, and getting into the back muscles now. Finding space through the back of the neck. And just notice how this side of the body feels from the last. Notice the sensations. Just notice what you notice here. We'll gently begin to release out of the pose. Bring your head back to center and rest your hand back down onto the knee. We'll gently begin to blink the eyes open as we make our way down onto our mats. From here, we're coming into Supta Baddha Konasana. So we bring the soles of our feet to touch. Drop our knees heavy, bring our arms up over our heads, if it feels okay to you, you could take hold of opposite elbow while we open through our chest. Soften the muscles in the belly. Relieve tightness and tension in the lower back. And begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Noticing the gentle rise and fall of the belly. Noticing the points of your body connecting with the mat. Finding and feeling that support of the ground beneath you. And gently release the arms along the body. Draw the knees back together. And we'll draw our right knee in towards our belly. Beginning to hinge at the knee, we'll rest our right knee on top of the left. Bring our legs into a figure 4 shape. Option to stay here with the right hand planted on the right knee, or interlace the fingers behind the left leg as you draw the legs closer towards the body. Allow the left foot to hang heavy as we make our way into our reclined pigeon. Find softness and stillness down through the body. Releasing tension in the hips. Often a common part of the body where we hold and build a lot of tension throughout the day. Find the release with each exhale. Release the foot back down towards the mat. Draw the knee back towards the chest and release the foot down onto the mat. And we'll take it to the next side, drawing the left knee this time in towards you. Hinging at the knee, rest the ankle down on the right knee. Option to stay here, or option to interlace the fingers behind the right leg and draw the legs closer towards the body. Allow the right foot to hang heavy. And find stillness in the body. Finding stillness in the mind. That sense of peace and quiet. Begin to release out of the pose, planting your right foot down onto the mat and draw the left knee back in towards your chest. And plant the left foot down onto the mat. From here, we're going to grab any prop you have handy. Maybe a pillow or a bolster or a cushion or a blanket. We're going to slide it under our tailbone while we pick up our hips and rest the hips heavy, keeping the feet planted under the knees. We're coming into supported bridge. Allow the arms to hang heavy alongside the body. Palms face the sky. Soften and relax the shoulders. Reducing heaviness from the abdomen and hips. finding the connection with the points of the body and the mat. Noticing the weight of the head as it melts into the mat. From here, we're going to make our way into the legs of the wall by drawing your knees towards the chest and begin to extend the feet up towards the sky, pointing the toes up. The knees can be as deeply bent as you need to, and if you have a wall close to you, you can always rest the legs up the wall. And once you're in your pose, begin to relax and release and find softness. Legs up the wall is one of my favorite yoga poses. This gentle inversion helps to recirculate the blood flow, providing a calming effect on our nervous system. Focus on the breath, bringing yourself into the present. Allow the hips to be heavy as they melt into your bolster. Allowing your shoulders to rest. Softening the muscles in your face. Relaxing your jaw. Allowing your eyes to become heavy in their sockets. And your forehead to release any tension. We'll begin to come out of the pose by bending into the knees and planting the feet one by one down onto the mat. We'll gently slide our prop off to one side and rest our hips back down towards the mat. Drawing your knees one by one in towards the belly, we'll drop our knees heavy to the outer sides of the body. Making our way into happy baby, we'll begin to bend into the knees while you point the soles of the feet up towards the sky, taking hold of wherever you can, maybe the backs of the knees, or the shins, or to the outer edges of the feet. As you draw the knees down towards the armpits, maybe gently rowing side to side to give your lower back a little massage, or relieve tension by resting in stillness, inviting yourself to release any stress from your day that you're still holding on to. Find your breath once again. Inhale fully and exhale fully. Beginning to release out of the pose. Draw the knees into the chest, and from here we'll make our way into our final resting pose, Shavasana. Take up as much space as you need to. Extend the legs long. Extend the arms alongside the body. Palms face the sky. Shoulders nestle under the body. Allow the body to be heavy and find stillness. Find a moment of peace and quiet. This is where I'll leave you today I encourage you to stay here as long as you can. Namaste.